One Nigerian actor don't come outside, they cry. This person they accuse the human rights activist wey im name na Harrison Gwamishu say this person don't hold the money back. Say money where people donate for am. Harrison no gree release this money. This actor wey im name na Kingsley Orji, all of us know say this man they suffer from leg problem. Now there people come gather, they donate money 6.5 million for this man. And after this donation, they do this thing through Harrison paid. Now there they use they gather this money. But as now this man talk say he won't use the money, they go do in treatment. Now there if he go meet Harrison know the answer him again. And say he don't confront Harrison so many times, say he need this money. Make this man give him this money, say he won't travel go India. And even the embassy talk say this money supposed they in account before he go fit move. But Harrison say he no go mind am at all. Now this man come outside, come begin the cry. My people beg, make now follow me watch this one.
Listen. Chineke gusuneke ndị agha ọsọ gị kara ihe niile dị n'aka. Onye ọbụla amakwa Harrison Gwamishu gwakwa ya enye m ego ibori nyere m for my treatment. Oh Jesus. For over 2 years now ka m na-ayọ ndị mmadụ ka ha nyere m aka. Chukwu wee za m ekpere. Chukwu wee za m ekpere n'ebe Harrison nọ, n'ebe ibori nọ. Ka ibori wepụta ego, were ego, wee nye Harrison. The worst mistake m mere bụ ikweta na m onye we Harrison. Maka na ọ sị na ibori sị na Harrison bụ nwanne ya. Not from the same side. I'm not human rights activist. O were ego we nye ka o help m. E ma si nyere ego Harrison ego. Harrison afube m anya ka o mara my condition. Ma cha di amana. O tego account tabara afọ. O tego account tabara afọ. When na you Chineke go mere meme.
I hope so now listen to what Mr. Kingsley talk well. Because now there me say I come begin say make I do my investigation well. Now there I come see say Harrison self they claim say he don't give this man 1.5 million before. Say after the donation, he carry 1.5 million naira. Give Mr. Kingsley and he notice say Mr. Kingsley waste this money. Say instead of this man using this money for a medical help, he carry this money. They go use and do another thing say he want promoting music. But when they want how person will be say leg the pain go come reason say he no go treat himself now music he want dey follow. If say na film he even talk say we go even believe you. No be about music on where he come outside and come dey lie. But see be Harrison say 1 kobo say he no go give this guy until this man go bring out the 1.5 million wey he carry give him. And say that 5 million he go dey inside in possession. But I beg Mr. Harrison come abeg I wan ask you one kind question. Abeg wetin make be say you go dey like to dey keep people money? If like say this thing na your normal ways, if person give money to person, you go decide say now you won't keep this money. And make now no forget, this same Harrison ain't do this same thing to Ada Jesus. This Ada Jesus we don't die, all of us know so. The time where this guy is sick, in fact, this sickness not be even anything way serious. Now this same Harrison, I carry this matter, they snap her, they post her every day, make people they see. In which you know say some kind of sickness, no be every eye suppose they see him. Some people when they sick, they don't even they mean you for body. So maybe they don't even like this guy. Maybe the idea witches and wizards have come gather on top of this guy matter. But now because of say this man, they post this thing every day. They ask for money, say he won't help this guy. Now there people begin donate to. And as they donate this money, make this man carry this money, give the family. He say no, say now he won't handle everything by himself. Now there even Ada Jesus mama self come talk say okay, as the matter be, he don't hand everything over to them, make him do am as him please. It be like saying this same corny way, now this guy again won't carry. Enter this Kingsley matter again. People donate something for this person. You give the person money, you know, give him. Until say Ada Jesus even come die. This man no carry this money, the remaining money. Carry say okay, family take money where they realize. Take him. He no do like that. So now the say now all this kind of thing I make me they suspect this man say the thing where this guy talk, it be like say no lie because this guy they come outside say this man a fraud man. Say this man in just day they extort people. Say if people donate money, he know they give the people their money. Say they collect this money, they keep for himself. But if person donate money, give person. No matter how the person spend the money, carry the money, give him. Now wetin make me the advice say make the person put in your account number. Because this one will be saying now inside your account, know how we go fit do, nothing go happen. So bros, the best thing I go tell you now, go meet this man, make him kuku help you do the arrangements of the traveling. Since the money dey inside your account, maybe na him go pay for everything. I been go use your account to register as him no one give you the money. Maybe in the fields, and make we reason now, this man a family man. That 1.5, maybe he don't use and sort out some things. Now give him imbalance if you no want do. Come make person papa na come there side they cry. Say he need the money and you know they do anything about them. You even get guns, this man still in the post and for in Twitter account say 5 naira he no go carry give this man. But I beg people they complain say give him money. At least everybody go know say they don't help him. Anything will can happen with the money, now your own personal problem. If last he no do the surgery, now in business. If he like making do that was now in business. But no just carry this matter for head like say now you that donate this money for. No be your money. So the best option is carry this money, give this man. My people I beg, wait on ourselves, think about this matter. Anything I feel, make now write them inside the comment section. Make now don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.